All right, y'all, so I was mistaken. I'm currently in line. As you guys can see, this is the line. This is how far back I gotta wait to pick up my pair that I reserved. I gotta get way up there, bro. These are the people waiting for these 11s. Crazy. Hey, happy Jordan 11 Gamma Day, man. Another holiday Jordan 11.
Yep.
And bruh, y'all been out there. Look at this, man. Look at these lines. Look at these lines that people are posting. I will say this. I haven't heard anything about any stabbings, any shooting, any fighting, or anything like that. But, you know, I've been hearing a little bit about some arguing and crap like that, you know, but nothing too major. And I hope and pray that we don't get to that point. But as you guys can see, man, people been out here. People been camping out. Foot Locker did first come, first serve in the raffle all in the same day. So they were giving out shoes from like 7 a.m. to now. People was camping out. They had the midnight release in a lot of different places at Foot Locker, and people was camping out. If you would have told me two things in 2025. One, they was gonna give us a lot of OG sneakers, and OG sneakers was gonna sit. Two, that people would again be camping out for a Jordan, man. I thought we'd never see it again, bro. But nonetheless, we are here, man. Today we are going to pick up my pair of the Air Jordan 11 Gammas. And I feel like this is safe to say that this is gonna be in a lot of people's top 3. I said top 5. Top 3 now, man. I feel like people all over this sneaker. A lot of people saying if you did minimum footwork, you're going to be able to get this pair or whatever. Man, this sneaker was hard to get for a lot of people. On the live today, we had over 200 people in there live at one point. And a lot of people said that they didn't get them, that they missed out on all the raffles and stuff like that. Shout out to JD Sport. That's why I'm going to get my pair. But some people was lucky. They got 9, 10 pairs. You know what I'm saying? And the resale for these things are skyrocketing. So it is a great asset currently right now. And they are going to sell out. The restocks will happen, but they won't be an easy cop, man. But hey, let's go ahead and go pick up these Air Jordan 11 Gammas. And let's see what these lines look like in the mall. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we up in the mall, and I'm walking up to JD Sport, and I think the line is not that bad like what it was this morning. It was like a line waiting, but as you guys can see right here, it's really not that bad. It's nobody waiting outside. It's a couple of people in the store that's probably waiting, but let's see what it actually looked like inside of JD. All right, never mind. There go the checkout line. Y'all see that, bro? It is a lot of people in here, bro. Sheesh. Look at this line, bro. It is madness up in here, bro. All right, y'all, so I was mistaken. I'm currently in line. As you guys can see, this is the line. This is how far back I gotta wait to pick up my pair that I reserved. I gotta get way up there, bro.
Yep.
These are the people waiting for these 11s. Crazy. So I'm gonna wait up in this line. I don't know, man, I ain't got no other choice, bro. You feel what I'm saying? But my 2 pair are reserved. I feel bad for people. A lot of people are asking right now, like, when can they pick them up? I think it's 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for them to come up, pick up any pairs that was reserved and that people don't want. But man, I don't think it's gonna happen, bro. With this line, bro, I don't think it's gonna happen, bro. I think everybody gonna come pick up their pairs. People out here, but hey, it's safe, and we gonna chill out. So let me get this line, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna check out this sneaker. Let's get it. Y'all, so I think this is the line of the people that's actually waiting for the 2 p.m. release for to be able to pick up the pairs that's not that people leave behind, that's not being picked up from the reservations. Crazy, bro.
1 hour later.
All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got bags secured, man. It was crazy out there though, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna wait till I get out into the whip to actually show these shoes to y'all, because man, the lines was crazy, people was crazy, everybody was asking me did I want to sell these things. It was just like, man, it's a lot going on for these, bro. I haven't felt this way about a sneaker release in years, bro. So I'm kind of enjoying it. You know, I'm an older guy, so I remember back in the day, this is the way it was before you had sneakers app and all that stuff. You just have to go into stores and just, you have to play luck of the draw, man, and try to get your sneakers, bro. And I feel like that's what everybody's trying to do, so I'm enjoying it. But man, let me get to the whip and then we're gonna see what these shoes look like. Hey, before I open up these sneakers, as you guys can see right here on the screen, bro, as I'm walking out also, as you guys can see the line right there, that is going to be the people that's waiting outside of the store because the inside of the store was too packed to be able to cop this sneaker. Have an opportunity to cop this sneaker, hoping that everybody don't pick them up. Man, crazy times. Salute to everybody that was able to get them. Let's take a look at these things. All right, so you know what I'm saying, standard box, you know what I'm saying, not a pull-out box, but we do have the Gamma color logo right there, Jumpman logo. You got the 23 on the side, size tag right there. Go ahead and open this up. We do have the carbon fiber paper right there. And then we do have the Air Jordan 11 Gamma. Super clean sneaker, as you guys can see. High cut patent leather. I think it's been like 12 or 14 years since we've seen this thing. I want to say like 2014. You got the Gamma on the bottom. I'm glad they actually gave us these instead of what they was thinking about giving us. You got the Gamma blue logo, Jumpman logo right there. That yellow 2-3 on the back. Top 5 Jordan 11 for some people. Is that cap? Y'all let me know. But nonetheless, this is what the sneaker look like. Super clean sneaker in my opinion. I'm not seeing any imperfections on this pair, bro. Any imperfections at all. You got your carbon fiber right there. Super clean sneaker. Let's check out the other one. Make sure everything's good with that. And we do have the other one. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions. Did you pick these up? How was it in your stores, in your location? Was it crazy as it was for me? Y'all comment down below and let me know. That's all I got for y'all. I appreciate y'all tapping in as always. Let me know if this is a must cop for you guys, because I'm telling y'all, people was going crazy bananas for this sneaker. This sneaker changed it, man. To finish out 2025, this sneaker did its thing, man. But y'all already know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these Gammas, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Knology.